Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add Bitcoin to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 allows you to add financial instruments such as cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, stocks, indices, and commodities to your market watch list for quick access. Adding BTC USD lets you monitor Bitcoin's price movements, analyze charts, and place trades if your broker supports it. In this guide, I'll walk you through adding the Bitcoin BTC USD trading pair to MetaTrader 5. The first step is to open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Once the app opens, you'll arrive at the main trading dashboard. At the top of the screen, tap the Add button. This opens the list of available trading instruments. At the top of the page, tap the Search bar. Type BTC. Wait for the search results to load. Once you see BTC USD, locate the plus button next to it. Tap the plus button. This adds BTC USD to your market watch list. Now return to the home page of MetaTrader 5. Scroll downward through your list of trading instruments. You should now see BTC USD listed among your available markets. From there, you can tap on BTC USD to open its chart, view live pricing, analyze market movements using technical indicators, or place trades if your broker offers cryptocurrency trading. It is important to understand that the availability of BTC USD depends on your broker. If you don't see BTC USD in the search results, your broker may not provide cryptocurrency trading or may use a different symbol name. A common mistake many users make is searching for the wrong symbol. Some brokers may list Bitcoin under a slightly different name, so checking your broker's available instruments can help. Another common mistake is forgetting to tap the plus button after finding BTC USD, which means it won't be added to the market watch list. Some users also expect every MetaTrader 5 broker to offer the same instruments, but the available markets vary by broker. To summarize, adding Bitcoin to MetaTrader 5 begins by opening the MetaTrader 5 app and tapping the Add button at the top of the screen. Next, use the search bar to search for BTC. Once the search results appear, tap the plus button next to BTC USD. After that, return to the home page of MetaTrader 5 and scroll through your market watch list, where you'll find BTC USD ready to view, analyze, and trade if supported by your broker. Adding BTC USD to your market watch makes it easy to monitor Bitcoin prices and quickly access its trading chart whenever you need it. And that's how to add Bitcoin to MetaTrader 5. By searching for BTC USD and adding it to your market watch list, you'll have quick access to Bitcoin's live market data and charts directly within the MetaTrader 5 app. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.